good people of the internet, and welcome to another video here on the channel, which is not about voting for once. It's been a lot of voting lately, but yeah, now I felt like doing something else, and that and quite handy. Something came in quite handy in the mail here, something that I almost had forgotten I ordered a while ago. I got a little bird whispering in my ear that I should try something called the Avalon Nano, which is a Bitcoin miner, and I'm more or less trying to slip away from too much things that has to do with money and banking and stuff, and I've been checking into some mining of or trading of cryptocurrencies before. For now it feels like everything that has to do with money and banking and stuff that really annoys me, but this is though a little bit of a step of moving away from like traditional banks, which I think we need to do in this world. Get rid of all that nonsense, that shenanigans in the clown world of banking, when in the clown world where banking is part of the whole clown world. Anyways, Avalon Nano is supposed to be a miner. You can mine Bitcoin, and I am such a newbie at everything that has to do with cryptocurrencies, but as I understand, this is really good for like solo mining, or really good. It's good for solo mining. It's not like the best things you can get out there, but it's a cool little device. And why I got really interested in it was because let's see here, it requires more or less no like programming or anything. You just it's really easy to set up. I've been watching some tutorial videos, and I'm going to link to those. Some guy named Red Panda I looked at it, and it looks really easy to hook it up and get it started. The question now is what I'm really interested about is how much power is this gonna cost me relative to how much money, cryptocurrency we're gonna mine with this. Is it worth it, basically? I can't remember how much I paid for this now. It was like an early, not Kickstarter, but an early opportunity to get on board this. I think I paid like maybe, I would say 200 euros. I'm not really sure. If I check it out, I'll post down here how much I paid for it. Anyways, so this is not going to be like a really super technological video today. I'm just going to hook this up, and my one question that I have is if I can connect it to my Binance wallet that I have, and if I can have, I want this guy to just be running and me not doing really anything about it, and maybe get some kind of cryptocurrency into my Binance wallet. That would just be fun. I don't want to like sit and watch and program too much of this, but it should be quite easy to install. And it has some cool features also. Maybe not in the summertime, this is a good thing to have, because it expels a lot of heat here. But in the wintertime, this they marketed it for like, this is good if you're freezing in your house, put down this guy, and it expels a lot of heat here with a little. I think there's a little fan in here. We'll try it out. So that could be good. And there's cool LED lights here also. So I need to find a cool place to put this, and yeah, start it up, and we're gonna log into it, and hopefully I can connect it today and get it working. But first I'm gonna find a spot where to put it. I also got this power adapter also, which should be working good for this Canaan Avalon Nano 3. And this is not a sponsored video, by the way. I just really thought it was a cool thing to show you. But I'll link down to where you can buy this if you are interested. Okay, so let's find a good spot for the machine. So this is a little rat's nest of cables and computers and stuff. in my closet here, where I have the modem, and I got some switch boxes and some Raspberry Pis and some NASes and the Minecraft server and everything. This place gets quite warm. That's why I put up a fan in here, and I also have some smaller fans which are expelling heat from this closet. So this is a little bit too cramped, I think, and I don't want to actually put in more heat in here right now. Yeah, so what we're gonna do, don't mind the dishes over there. What I'm gonna do to begin with, we're just gonna put it down here on the kitchen top and start it up and see what it looks like. So this dude, and we have its power also. We need to take away the plastic. It feels like this guy is gonna get warm. And also one thing I want to do with this guy, if it draws a lot of power, it would be nice to just be able to have it turn on and off automatically with Home Assistant. So whenever we have, when the power is cheap, we can have it automatically switched on and off. And I wonder if we can just do that with a smart plug here, so that as soon as this gets power, it starts up. And if it's safe to just cut the power and it will shut down, in a good way, so we don't mess stuff up too much. Okay, so there is a power input, this USB-C on the back side here. So let's try. Oh, something happened. Okay. Yeah, so it has its own Wi-Fi network that we need to connect to first with a phone application and log into this guy. Oh, look at this. We got some, hang on. There we go. We got some blue nice lights here. Ooh, I can't feel. Oh, there's actually some. Yeah, there's a silent fan in there. There should be 3 settings if I understood correctly. So maybe it's on the low setting right now. Okay, so let's get the app on the phone and log into this dude. Okay, so let's see here. It should be called Remote Avalon Nano. Okay, Remote Avalon Nano. Let's get the app and see what it looks like. Okay, Avalon Remote. So what we are supposed to do now is just press the plus button, and we should log into as it's got its own Wi-Fi network. The little box that we have here. Let's see. It should be here. Hit the Nano. Okay. Let's log into that. Okay, we are in, and we should be able to go to the next step. Do you want to say, well, sure, okay. Let's see where we're at. So it wants to connect to my local network, and I'm going to allow that. Okay, so let's see here, getting IP. And it, okay, so it's, looks like, let's remove this guy. It says that it has a, able to push it. Oh, whoa, sorry. I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, it's got its own IP address now, 103 here on my local network, and it's, I don't know, maybe it's hashing already. Interesting, interesting. So now we, let me put up the app again here. We have to go back and go into my normal regular network, and if I understood this correctly, there should be a Okay, yeah, so now we add equipment in operation. That's how we do it. Oh. Ah, there we go. Yeah, so we have it in the living room, it's in the kitchen. Ooh, here we go. So now it's heater control is set to low. We can go medium and high also. And yeah, let me just show you the whole, because this is where we can do some cool stuff with the with the exterior of this guy. So let's see if I can have the Nano there, and you can see what I'm doing here on the screen also on my phone. So now it's set on low. Let's go high. Let's see what happens. Nothing really happens maybe. Okay. Let's keep it on low. But we can do some cool light controls. We can turn it off and on. We can do flash. Okay. Breathing. That looks good. And we can do color temperature. Okay. We can change the palette. Let's go for some, oh, that's nice. Some dark pink. Now we can actually hear the fan. I wonder if you can hear it with my microphone here. Okay, so now it's something is happening. Oh my god. So let's see if we click on mining management. Nothing really happens here. Okay, but we should be able to log in via the web interface instead, and that's where you do the setup of oh, here goes my timer. Yeah, we should be able to log into the web interface and do the setup there. Yeah, so let me do that. Okay, so let's see here. We should be able to log into 192 and 103, and this should be root. We are logging into this miner. Interesting. Okay, mining status fine, network status looks good, fan status okay, miner temperature, lots of interesting stuff here. Average hash rate, okay, we've been online for 11 minutes. Interesting. Okay, so we should be able to go to the net. No, let's see, configuration maybe. There we go. Okay, so this is where, if I understood this correctly, we are supposed to put in the pools we are going to use. Okay, so I'm going into on the same site that I watched on the tutorial, and we should be able to see here which pools are available for what's it called, solo mining. So I'm just going to click on Bitcoin here. I have really okay, so here we have some okay, Binance pool. That sounds interesting because I want to connect to Binance. Maybe that's where we need to go. Solo. Okay. I'm interested in this, the Binance pool. What can we do here? Okay, so I was able to log in with the app here. That's good, probably. Okay, so we are logged in here now. How do I find the pool? Mining pool, okay. So I want to mine Bitcoin. Aha, okay. So let's try this pool then. Copy that and put it into here. I can actually move these. And the worker. Oh, let's see, that is... Okay, we need to create a mining account here. Okay, let's call this tree. I wonder if this works. Okay, so here we go. Let's copy this address again. Was it the same? Maybe we put in here. Okay, it was the same. And this is the name of the worker. And of course, I'm not going to show you any passwords here. I don't think it's that critical. Anyways, if you should use my the work, I think I get the money. I don't know. Okay. So this should be it. Let's remove all the other stuff here. So if I understand this correctly, I should be able to save and need to reboot manually. Okay. Let me do that. Reboot. Okay. Device rebooting. Interesting. Okay. So if it should be as simple as this, I guess. Okay, so here we are again. I'm going to change the password. So let's see here. Network status is just booting up. I want to know if we are connecting to Binance Pool. It says it is online. Oh, something's happening. Average hash rate, real time. Okay, so something is definitely happening, and yeah, very interesting. Yeah. Okay. So average hash rate 1.57 there. Okay, it should be able to go up to 4, as I understood it. Maybe we can see if we can turn it up to high. What happens then? Hi, come on. Confirm. Okay, so we are accepted here, it says, on the current pool. So I'm guessing this, yeah, this is what we need to do. Okay, so let's see here. I don't know if you can see the screen here, and if you can hear it, it started going quite... The fan, it says 1.78 here, we're at high level. Whoops, my screen there. So it says basically the same as we saw on the page there. Now, yeah, now I'm just curious if we can in some way monitor or see if something happens on my Binance wallet. And oh, there's a lot of heat coming out of here. Yeah, so I'm cutting in here. This is me from the future, about 1 hour and 25 minutes into the future. I have the Avalon Nano running now, and I got it hooked up so I can actually see the stats also in my Binance wallet, as you can see up here. Yeah, so the connection worked. It took like 15 minutes for it to update and start, and I had to find the page on Binance where I can see it. So yeah, this is what I wanted to do. I have my Binance wallet connected, or actually the Avalon Nano connected to my Binance wallet. So everything I mine in the pool at Binance, I can push over to my wallet, and that's just great, I think. Yeah, so cool. Interesting, yeah. This is going to be really good winter time. Yeah, okay, so that was how I did the setup. I'm going to post the links to the red Panda miner guy dude here below, so, and also to this Avalon Nano, so you can check it out if it's something you're interested about. And I will, yeah, keep you updated what's happening here in the coming months or year or whatever. I'm not expecting to make any big money out of this, just for fun, see what happens. And if we make money, then all the better, and we can circumnavigate all the regular banks and everything, and that would be really nice. So yeah, short video about the Avalon Nano 3, and I hope you have a super awesome day, and keep on watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.